Tailwind's Guide Builder helps you create beautiful, interactive travel guides using all of your own synced content. To create a guide, click the New Guide button and give your guide a name. Then get started with one of our templates. We've provided these templates as a useful starting point, but they're all fully customizable. For the demo, we'll use the City Guide template. The Guide tab is the main part of every guide and where you'll do all the editing. The Experiences tab simply lists all the tours, experiences, and activities that you recommend throughout the guide. First, you can click this Edit button at the top to access the guide settings. Here you can change the guide name, description, and cover image. You can also set guide visibility. Guides will be set to public by default, which means they're visible to anyone and will show up on your homepage. Unlisted guides are visible to anyone with a direct link, but these guides won't show up on your homepage. The private setting will allow you to grant access to specific people. This feature isn't live yet, but it's coming soon. To edit the rest of the guide, click the Edit Content button at the bottom. The rest of the guide is made up of content blocks. To add a new block, simply hit Enter, or click the plus button on the left. To delete a block, click the drag icon and then click Delete. Once you've created a new block, you can simply start writing, or type / to open the content block menu. The top section of the menu indicates different types of text blocks. You can add headers, different types of lists, and block quotes, which are great for adding your own notes and reviews to the places that you recommend. To edit your existing text, you can highlight the text to open up the formatting menu. Here you can toggle between plain text and headers, change text style and alignment, convert text to block quotes or different types of lists, and also change text color and size. Lastly, you can also add hyperlinks. You can paste a hyperlink right into an empty block to generate a rich text preview box, or convert existing text into a link by highlighting the text and pasting the URL into the pop-up box. Any hyperlink you insert can be displayed as a text link, a rich preview, or even a button. Coming back to the content block menu, the bottom section of the menu allows you to add different types of content blocks. You can add a new section, which will also create a button in the scroll bar at the top. You can add a place the same way as in a post. The search bar allows you to search all of your own synced content, or add places from a general web search. When you add a hotel, Tailwind will automatically attach an affiliate booking link for you, the same way as when you edit a post. Adding a product also works the same way as a post. You can add products that are already included somewhere in your profile, or search all the products in our supplier database. You can embed images right inside your guide by uploading them from your device. You can also add videos, for example, if you wanted to embed one of your YouTube videos right inside of your guide. You can also add dividers, like this one up here, to visually organize your guide so it's easier to follow. Lastly, you can use the drag icon on the left to rearrange all the blocks of your guide however you want. Once you've finished editing your guide, click Publish to go live. Tailwind guides are completely flexible. Even if you start with a template, you can make any changes you want and fully customize all of your guides. Here's a Toronto guide I put together using the City Guide template. There's a summary at the top, including my favorite highlights, and then some info on transportation and other useful tips. If you have your own affiliate links for stuff like train tickets, car rentals, travel insurance, or whatever, you can paste those links directly into an empty row to generate a rich preview like this one. I've got all my hotel recommendations organized into categories, like luxury stays and boutique hotels, but you can organize yours however you want. And lastly, I've recommended some great things to do, including a dedicated section for food and drink at the bottom. What kind of guide are you going to build first? A city guide, an itinerary, or a collection of your favorite restaurants? With Tailwind's new guide builder, you can build them all.